How to airdrop photos and files and stop people from sending unsolicited pics. AirDrop is an easy way to quickly send photos, videos, and more between Apple devices, though it can open you up to unwanted content if you don't customize your settings. Table of contents need a quick and easy way to send files to people. Those with Apple devices can tap into AirDrop, which will beam photos and documents between devices with just a tap. It's easy to use but also abuse, as some unsuspecting airline passengers found out in 2022. Here, how to use AirDrop to send and receive files, but also customize the feature to maximize its usefulness and keep unwanted pics at bay. What is AirDrop? AirDrop is Apple proprietary wireless service that uses Bluetooth technology to locate nearby compatible devices and then send data, photos, videos, files, text, map, location, and more using a Wi-Fi signal. Initially released in 2011, the technology has been thought through several notable changes over the years. For instance, the protocol for Mac and iOS was once separate and therefore incompatible, but it's now usable between many different iPhone, iPad, and Mac models. You could also only send files when you were within close proximity, but the iOS 17.1 update now lets a transfer continue even out of Wi-Fi range. The advantage to using this technology is that AirDrop is faster and more secure than many alternatives. It locates nearby recipients automatically, so there is no need to contact devices, and doing the transfer over Wi-Fi. Files move from one device to another faster than they would over Bluetooth or NFC. Transfer are protected by the TLS protocol, which is also used the secure HTTPS web pages. How to turn on AirDrop iPhone, iPad, Mac. Before AirDrop can be used to transfer your files, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are both enabled on your device. You don't need to be connected to a Wi-Fi network. AirDrop only uses the signal to transfer data. Both parties, however, must take themselves discoverable via AirDrop on iPhone or iPad. That means operating settings, general AirDrop on Mac, open Finder and click the AirDrop tab. Then use the drop down menu at the bottom of the window to send or receive data. Your device must be set to contacts only for or everyone. In order to use the contacts only option, both devices must be registered with iCloud, and each user. The everyone option may sound insecure, but AirDrop lets you choose whether or not to accept a file from someone, so you can always block the transfer. How to turn AirDrop? If you don't want people sending you unsolicited notes or other random photos, set AirDrop to receiving off. This will keep your device hidden from those around you. Setting it to contacts only will also prevent strangers from sending you stuff. You can block AirDrop through Apple screen time feature, so a child or someone not authorized to your device cannot share files.